All right, another morning on the trails and another peak today. Today I'm heading up to Gobblers Knob and Mount Raymond. It's been several years, probably 6 or so years since I've been up to these peaks, so looking forward to checking them out again. Okay, I'm about 1.5 miles in, just reached the main ridge. It's pretty steep up to that point. It was 1,300 feet. And I'm finally to a point now where I can see both Raymond and Gobblers. So this one is Gobblers Knob over here, and then Mount Raymond is here. I'm going to be doing Gobblers first, so almost to the saddle. All right, I'm basically at 3 miles. I'm just below Raymond, and I'm at the trail split to get up to Baker Pass, the saddle. It's unsigned, so just make sure that you're paying attention and look out for it. So here we go up to the saddle. I'm at Baker Pass, my pass. How nice they named it after me. And I'm making my way up towards Gobblers Knob, which is about 0.8 miles. Man, what a beautiful day. Perfect blue skies, not very much wind at all. I've only passed 2 people. It's a great day to be out. Okay, I made it up to Gobblers Knob, 4 miles exactly. Oh man, that was a good climb. I forgot how steep it is getting up here, but it's always worth the views. I'm literally just gonna grab my sandwich out of my pack and start walking back to do Raymond, because I have a little bit of a time constraint to get home to Charlie, and to make this quick. Just ran into some followers of my blog who gave me a awesome pep talk for kind of a rough day that I'm having. It's awesome to see them. Thank you, Claudia and Klean, for giving me the hug and cheering me on. I'm back down at Baker Pass and gonna continue up to Mount Raymond. Okay, I'm at 5.36 miles, and I've reached the point where we're gonna start scrambling up. You'll notice there's a big tree here, and then you'll see the rock wall very slanted. And that's when you know it's time to start doing the light scramble. Let me show you a little bit closer up. So right here, it's an obvious dead stop in the trail, and you are just gonna go up that. Make sure you put everything in your pack securely, that you don't want to potentially fall out or drop. I'd consider this maybe a class 2 super light class 3 scramble. If you're afraid of heights, you might not like it, but it's a pretty short distance. It's really not that bad. If you've done any kind of peak bagging experience before, this will feel like nothing. If you're brand new, this will feel a little scary. So if you've never done something like this before, I always recommend having a friend come with you to help spot you and just kind of motivate you. But I'm by myself, so I get to do it solo. And I actually love this stuff, so here we go. Kicked my ass this morning. Wow. So far I'm at 6 miles exactly and 3,800 feet elevation gain. I'm looking at Gaia GPS. Oh man, I just need to sit here and catch my breath. I don't remember this being that hard. It is warming up a lot. This is my 4th day in a row of doing some hiking or running. I just did Ben Lomond a few days ago, so I think maybe my body is just not fully recovered. So I better take the next few days off because I haven't felt this worn out in a long time. And I haven't even done any running. This is just hiking with a lot of elevation gain. So I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna take some pictures, make sure I drink some water and stuff, and go from there. Okay, finally departing off of Baker Pass, dropping down to the main trail, and hoping I can trot just a little bit of it to get down a little bit faster. But thank you guys so much for joining along. I just absolutely love meeting you guys in real life on the trail. Always say hi to me. In the meantime, please check out my trail guide linked below. I've also got some cool discounts for different snacks, Gaia GPS, other fun gear. So thank you guys again. We'll see you on the next peak.